Info Edge. That one posted a weak set of numbers. The stock is down 6% in trade. We are now joined by Chintan Thakkar, the CFO of Info Edge. Thanks a lot for joining in, Chintan. First up, the EBITDA has come lower as compared to the previous quarter and previous year as well. And the major culprit of that has been 99 acres. And that one continues to bleed money. In fact, this quarter itself, it has bled about 36 crores in profit before tax. What is your plan going forward as far as Info Edge is concerned, and where do you see this getting better?
Well, the right way of looking at Info Edge is that you need to look at all the verticals separately, and that's why this quarter we have also actually given the results, separating it out. What's the investment that's happening in 99 acres? What's the kind of investment happening in recruitment business? So if you look at recruitment, I think we are cruising along very well. We are growing at about 20%, and we are continuing to keep a healthy margin of 50% plus. In fact, as a segment reporting, we have reported 53% as the segment profit. So I think that has been great for us, and it continues to be in the same way. 99 acres, actually, it's not appropriate to say that it's bleeding from the perspective that actually the amount that we are spending is an investment. All the investments are happening through OPEX. We being an internet company, so we need to understand and appreciate that piece. So if you really take that into account, I think that's fine. We kind of raised 750 crore last year around September to say that we are going to invest in 99 acres, and this is as per the plan that we have continued to invest in our product, in our operation, in our marketing. So that's nothing which is unexpected here.
So Chintan, Naukri has seen a revenue growth of 20% and EBITDA margins of 53%. For 99 acres, could you give us the numbers? What has been the revenue growth as well as the EBITDA loss?
So revenue has grown at about 12% in 99 acres. And we have EBITDA loss in 99 acres as a segment, which is about 35 crore rupees.
Okay. But revenue growth has seriously slowed down in 99 acres. It used to grow, at a much faster clip. Even last quarter, it was at 33%. Is this 12% growth in 99 acres on the top line a one-off? And even on the EBITDA margins, it's widened the loss if you compare it on a year-on-year basis or even on a quarter-on-quarter basis. Should we expect that the EBITDA losses could even go up from these levels?
So let's look at two pieces separately. One is that the cost is growing, which, as I said, that it is a function of how much investment that we are making in terms of marketing, in our operation, which in some ways is also led by how the competitive situation is. So that piece is a bit separate, and then let's look at where our revenue is. From revenue perspective, yes, I do agree that 12% is not as high as what result we produced last quarter. But you also need to take into account that the real estate business per se is not doing very well overall nationally in India. Particularly if you look at North, if you look at Delhi, NCR, the results in that region are not great because that's the real estate overall market is not going very well in Delhi and NCR. Same is true for many other cities as well.
All right, and how much did you invest in 99 acres this quarter itself? And also one more question, that while the competition intensifies, while you continue to invest in 99 acres, the results are not shown on the top line with the revenue growth being sluggish. When do you expect that to turn around as well?
So as I said, that I think a lot of things are linked to how the real estate market is going to grow. And which right now it looks like that it's sluggish and it may not come up in the next few quarters. So it all depends on how the revenue will grow, which is a function of how the market is overall. In terms of investment, I think we are spending more on branding piece, which will continue, which we think is a capital asset, which will give us enduring results.
Any number, Chintan, of your total investment?
Well, as I said that we will continue.
If you could just share that number.
We created a war chest of 750 crore, right? We have just begun to spend some money of that. It will all get decided by how the overall real estate market is, how the competition is spending, and how we are growing in terms of our product and ambition, and where our operation is. So we have significantly up our investment in our operation, in our product. So it's So it's about 30 crore is what kind of we incrementally spent in this quarter, which is behind marketing, which is behind operation and technology.
All right. Thanks a lot for joining in. That was Chintan, the CFO of InfoEdge. That's